When a sinful woman from the city of Babylon died, her family did not even bother to bury her. Instead, they threw her body onto a garbage heap. When Prophet Musa, Moses, peace be upon him, went to Mount Sinai to speak with Allah, Allah said to him, "O Musa, we will talk about other matters later. First, go and give my servant's body a proper funeral, for she lies on a garbage heap. Bathe her and bury her with honor." Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, returned from Mount Sinai and entered the city of Babylon. After searching, he found a corpse lying on a heap of garbage, surrounded by 4 dogs guarding it so that no wild animal could harm it. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, inquired about her home and asked her family to help him lift her body. Her family refused and said, "We will not go near her corpse. She was an immoral woman who spent her entire life in sin." The entire city refused to lift the body. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, then went to his brother, Prophet Aaron, peace be upon him, and asked for help in lifting the body. Together, the 2 prophets carried the corpse. But when the time came for the ritual washing, no woman in the city was willing to bathe her. Seeing this, Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, ordered his wife and sister to perform the ritual cleansing. After the washing, with the help of his brother Harun, peace be upon him, he buried the woman with dignity. As soon as they returned, the people of the city gathered before him and said, "O Musa, either explain why such an immoral woman was given such an honorable burial, or take back the divine words you have taught us, for we are now in doubt." Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, said, "O people of this city, I only followed the command of Allah. When I return to Mount Sinai, you will receive the answer to your question." The people dispersed, and when Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, returned to Mount Sinai, he asked, "O my Lord," the people of the city asked why such an immoral woman was given an honorable burial. Allah replied, "O Musa, indeed, this woman lived a sinful life. She spent her days in immorality. However, once, as she passed by, she saw a dog dying of extreme thirst. Feeling pity for the creature, she wet her clothes in a nearby well and squeezed the water into the dog's mouth. The moment water touched its parched throat, life returned to its weak and trembling body. Her act of mercy pleased me, and I forgave all her sins. I then ordered the angel of death to take her soul immediately so that she would not commit any more sins.